Welcome back to the VPNRanks YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the critical concern of the digital age, which is cybersecurity. With increased reliance on online platforms, understanding the critical impact of cyber threats is becoming more important than ever. Stay tuned as we explore the latest statistics, trends, and expert tips on how to safeguard your data. 2023 saw a significant rise in cyber attacks, affecting over 343 million victims. According to Forbes, data breaches have increased by 72% between 2021 and 2023, setting new records. As we look ahead, 2024 is predicted to witness even more sophisticated attacks driven by technological advancements and the proliferation of connected devices. By the end of 2024, cyber attacks could surge to 6,822 daily, happening every 13 seconds according to VPNRanks. This report explores cyber attack statistics, trends, and implications, helping us better understand how to protect ourselves in this ever-changing digital landscape. VPNRanks predicts that over 1.19 million people will be affected by cyber attacks. Additionally, 78% of businesses are expected to be affected by the last quarter of 2024, with over 3 billion accounts expected to be compromised. This means that every 1 in 5 internet user will be affected. Let's break down some common types of cyber attacks. Malware includes malicious software like viruses, worms, and trojans that steal sensitive information. Ransomware encrypts data, making it inaccessible until a ransom has been paid. Phishing is deceptive emails being sent to trick users into providing their sensitive information. DDoS is distributed denial of services, and it floods systems with traffic, disrupting services. SQL injection exploits software vulnerabilities to inject malicious SQL codes. Understanding these attacks is crucial for effective defense. For instance, in Q3 of 2023, Avast blocked 1.05 billion malware attacks, and phishing accounted for 60% of data breaches in Q1 of 2023. Preventing cyber attacks requires comprehensive strategies, including creating cybersecurity policies, conducting penetration tests, offering company-wide security training, implementing strict password policies and multi-factor authentication, using threat intelligence and monitoring systems, deploying intrusion detection systems, keeping frequent backups, and installing firewalls and using secure Wi-Fi networks. Recent data shows that employee negligence and malicious activities are the leading cause of cyber breaches. They account for at least 2/3 of all incidents. This underscores the importance of robust internal policies and employee training. By the end of 2024, we expect to see around 6,822 daily cyber attacks, highlighting the urgent need for improved cybersecurity practices. Let's take a closer look at some significant statistics that underline this growing threat. VPNRanks estimates that 78% of businesses could be affected by cyber attacks, with over 3 billion accounts compromised, impacting roughly 1 in 5 internet users globally. Phishing remains the most prevalent type of cyber attack, involved in over 90% of cyber incidents. Phishing attacks are projected to remain a significant component of cyber threats, accounting for approximately 24.7% of all cyber attacks in 2024. Kaspersky's anti-phishing system blocked over 709 million phishing attempts in 2023, a 48% increase from the previous year. This surge was driven by attacks on messaging apps, social media services, and cryptocurrency exchanges. Phishing remains a favored method for cyber criminals, leveraging social engineering techniques to deceive and compromise sensitive information. Employee negligence is a major factor in cyber breaches. Willis Towers Watson highlights that 2/3 of incidents are due to employee actions emphasizing the need for robust internal defenses and comprehensive training programs. Here are some essential tips to prevent data breaches and minimize downtime from attacks. First, develop policies that address all attack vectors, guiding administrators and employees on handling phishing, social engineering, spam, and physical threats. Second, conduct security reviews and penetration tests on code before deploying to production to identify and fix vulnerabilities. Third, train employees to recognize and report phishing and social engineering attempts. 4. Employ strict password policies and MFA. Require strong and unique passwords for all accounts and enable multi-factor authentication to enhance security. 5. Implement threat intelligence and monitoring. Use security information and event management systems to analyze events and alert administrators to suspicious activities. 6. Deploy intrusion detection systems. Utilize IDS to detect and block potential attacks, working alongside prevention systems to automatically secure vulnerabilities. 7. Keep frequent backups. Regular backups are essential for recovery in case of ransomware or malware damage. 8. Install firewalls and use secure Wi-Fi networks. Secure Wi-Fi networks and firewalls are crucial to prevent unauthorized access and protect against cyber attacks. Cybersecurity is a continuous process. Organizations must constantly monitor new data, update their strategies, and train their employees so that they can stay ahead of cyber criminals. With advanced predictive models, we can predict future cyber attack trends so that organizations can prepare and protect effectively. Thank you folks for watching. Don't forget to like and share our video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on cybersecurity. Until then, stay safe online.